Good morning, guys. Welcome to Leku's Lifestyles, yet another vlog day. And this is Sunday, and I just woke up. Kids are there, my blankets are messy, my bedroom is messy. I have to organize everything. I'm just drinking my morning drink, Maza tea. Actually, I have already made the video of this Maza tea. Actually, it's very herbalish kind of tea. All the herbals are included in that. Um, like around 28 herbs are there. I have already made the video. So if you want any videos related to that, please do comment. Okay, so welcome, guys. Good morning. How are you people doing? Hope everybody's full to energies and so today I don't have maid. So I have to do almost my household work. Beyond that, today, come on, I have to tell you that today is a mini party day, a small party I have in my home. So mostly I have to cook, and everything is like made by me only. Like, I'm not buying anything from outside or ordering anything from outside. So few friends are coming up, and the occasion, or the what is the function is that my chotu wala na, my chotu wala.
Hi, my Petri is coming on the
Yeah.
floor.
Yes, that's it. His birthday is tomorrow actually, but we thought that we will do a small gathering in the, or small celebration in the evening, so that tomorrow it's Monday, so nothing will be possible. So Indian time, 12 o'clock, we can cut the cake, right? So everything, I have to move on to the kitchen, and I will take you all through the kitchen. Okay, so I'm gaining my energy. I'm trying to focus on this food and all the stuffs. Come on, let's go and let's do some cooking. Yeah, so I have just asked my kids to just arrange the bed sheets and everything. It's not the girl only have to do this all household work and everything. It's an equal things, and it have to be learned from home and from childhood itself, I believe. So they are just trying in whatever manners or whatever they can do, but let them do. And I'm just enjoying with my camera watching that. Okay, something happened. Okay, and then moving to the our breakfast. So after that we are going to breakfast, and this is actually an homemade Nutella which I have made. So we are just having a mild breakfast with some bread and Nutella, and all of us are enjoying. I also had a slice, and my kids also having a bit, because as I said, I have a lot to cook. So now I don't have to start a heavy meals or heavy breakfast. So I have
Stop.
done that, and I'm gonna move to kitchen, and firstly I'm gonna make biryani. So firstly, in a pan I'm just pouring some oil, and this is my version of biryani, whatever it is. It's my, but it tastes good actually. So I'm just getting some ginger garlic paste and some onion which is sliced. Actually, a lot of onions are needed for biryani masala, and here I'm have kept some water for boiling, in which I'm adding little bit of spices, because that I'm using for the rice. That water I'm using for the rice, and it will be awesome taste. So I have added the powder like coriander, garam masala and chili powder, and I'm adding tomatoes into this, and a bunch of coriander and mint leaf. I love the taste of these things, and some curd, and just mixing all together, adding a little bit salt also. And when it is added, you can see like the tomato breaks and all this oil starts to come up. At this point of time, I'm gonna add the chicken which I have been air fried. I marinated chicken last night, so it is very juicy and tendery, and I'm just marinating, and I have added few eggs also, which also I'll be adding this with this masala, so that it doesn't taste blah like that. So this is my kind of version of making biryanis masala, and that's it. Now I am gonna move and make for the rice, for biryani rice. For that, firstly I am adding ghee in a pot, and I have just roasted those cashews and raisins for the garnishing purpose, and in the same ghee I'm adding few like bay leaves and cinnamon, cardamom, and I'm just frying the rice which I have soaked in water 30 minutes before and drained and kept it. So I'm just frying it so that it doesn't stick to each other. Then I'm pouring 1:2 water and a few mint and coriander leaf and a drop of biryani essence which will add enhance the taste of biryani actually, and few salt to taste and few one lemon, and just it have to cook, rice have to cook like around 75% only, 75 to 80%. Now I'm just dum it like layers of rice masala, rice masala. So that's it, my biryani is ready. Hope this one is interesting and it's very easy also, and but taste yum, just yum. And next I'm moving to make beef roast. Actually it's for starters, so for that I have the beef, and I'm adding all the spices like turmeric powder, salt, ginger garlic paste, and a garam masala which is homemade actually. I make garam masala homemade, and the homemade ones taste really amazing, the smells amazing. And I'm just keeping them in the pressure cooker for 5 to 6 whistles, and I'm in between I will just chop all the vegetables which is needed, like some coconut chopped, some onions which I'm slicing in my chopper, which makes it easy and tear less. And now let us cook the masala for this, and for that first I'm using coconut oil as a Kerala, it's a Kerala taste kind of thing. So I am using coconut oil, and in that I'm just roasting the coconuts pieces, and when it's like mild brown color, I'm adding the onions, curry leaves. In the same chopper I have chopped little bit of this ginger and garlic also, so that also I have added in that. Sorry, the procedure is again repeating. Sorry. Okay, and everything is going on fast, and we are chopped, and I now let us move on and add the powders like turmeric, chili powder, garam masala, and this one coriander powder. And these all things when is done, I'm adding the pressure cooked beef. It's like really gravy, because in that gravy it will be cooking, the rest of the cooking is done in that gravy, so it will taste yummy. You can see I have dry roasted. Now it is like almost semi gravy bhi nahi hai, it's like almost dry. And it's idiyappam, Kerala idiyappam also I am making as a side main dish, and the beef is also ready. Now let us move and make a bit of chaat or kind of thing. So I just have boiled pressure cooked like some peanuts, and I'm just adding a little bit of onions and coriander, lime juice and turmeric chili powder, just as a starter. So this is a quick starter. Next I'm going to make a stew, that is mutton stew, which is a combination for actually the idiyappam or the rice noodles which I have made before. So I have pressure cooked all, adding these garam masalas and all those stuffs in pressure cooker. Next, same thing, I'm adding like onions and all these masalas, and also I have added one potato and some carrots also. And second, coconut milk, I have boiled this mutton and everything for some around 10 to 20 minutes. And next I have added the coconut milk and curry leaves, and this is my mutton stew, yummy, ready, and it tastes heavenly. Now these are my starters. I had some samosa also which I have fried, and this beef and all those things. And also I have baked cake for my son myself. I am not a much professional, but I love to bake, and I have added strawberry and chocolate layers of cake, and which I have iced with some of the things. And that's it, when we are enjoying with our family and friends.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.